Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Artificial intelligence is changing almost every industry, and cybersecurity is no exception. Today, we'll look at 6 AI tools and AI concepts that are making a significant impact in cybersecurity. Some are designed to help ethical hackers and security professionals, while others have gained attention because cybercriminals have attempted to misuse similar AI technologies. This video is purely for educational and awareness purposes. The goal is to understand these technologies, how they're used, and why cybersecurity professionals should know about them. WormGPT. Have you heard about an AI called WormGPT that's often mentioned in cybersecurity news? Is it really an AI made for hackers? Let's find out. WormGPT is the name given to an AI chatbot that was advertised on underground cybercrime forums. Unlike mainstream AI assistants, it was promoted as having few or no safety restrictions, allowing users to generate content that could facilitate cybercrime. WormGPT is an unregulated malicious large language model (LLM) designed specifically for cybercriminals. Often described as the dark twin of ChatGPT, it strips away the safety guardrails found in mainstream AI tools, allowing threat actors to generate malware, code exploits, and flawless, highly personalized phishing emails at scale. How does it work? The basic idea is similar to other AI chatbots. A user enters a prompt. The AI processes the request using a large language model. It generates a response. The key difference is that WormGPT was marketed as removing many of the safety filters found in legitimate AI services. How can WormGPT-like AI help different people? For security researchers, analyze phishing emails, study cyber threats, summarize malware reports, create security awareness content. For SOC analysts, summarize security alerts, help write incident reports, explain indicators of compromise (IOCs), speed up threat analysis. For penetration testers, write professional security reports, explain vulnerabilities, suggest remediation steps, organize assessment findings. For security trainers, create phishing awareness examples, prepare cybersecurity training material, build quizzes and learning content. Next is PentestGPT. This is one of the most useful AI-powered assistants for ethical hackers and penetration testers. Penetration testing involves checking systems for security weaknesses before attackers find them. Traditionally, this requires extensive manual effort. PentestGPT helps streamline this process. It can assist with understanding reconnaissance results, suggesting testing methodologies, explaining vulnerabilities, organizing notes, and even helping generate professional penetration testing reports. However, it's important to remember that PentestGPT doesn't automatically hack systems. Instead, it acts like an intelligent assistant that supports experienced security professionals throughout their assessment. How it works? Autonomous decision-making. The agent can independently assess its digital environment, make strategic decisions, and take actions to find vulnerabilities. 3-module architecture. It typically uses 3 interacting modules: reasoning to maintain context, generation to craft command scripts, and parsing to read the output of your security tools. Interactive mode. It acts as a sidekick, guiding the tester on what commands to run next and how to interpret the clues returned by the target. It saves time while allowing penetration testers to focus on critical thinking and complex security analysis. The third AI is ChaosGPT. ChaosGPT became popular online because it was an experimental autonomous AI project that generated a lot of sensational headlines. Many people mistakenly believe it is a cybersecurity testing platform, but that's not actually its primary purpose. Instead, ChaosGPT demonstrated how autonomous AI agents could execute goals with minimal human interaction. For cybersecurity professionals, the bigger lesson is understanding the risks of autonomous AI systems. As AI agents become more capable, organizations need stronger safeguards, monitoring, and security controls to prevent misuse. How it works? Built using OpenAI's AutoGPT, an open-source application powered by GPT-4, ChaosGPT operated continuously. Instead of acting like a standard conversational chatbot, it was tasked with a list of evil objectives. The AI conducted research. It searched the internet to find information on the most destructive weapons humanity had ever created. Attempted manipulation. It used social media platforms to try to recruit other AI tools and gain human followers to help carry out its agenda. Documented its thoughts. It documented its thought process, including its obsession with the Soviet-era Tsar Bomba nuclear device. The fourth AI is AutoGPT. AutoGPT is an autonomous AI agent built on top of large language models. Unlike ChatGPT, where you give one prompt at a time, AutoGPT can take a goal, break it into smaller tasks, complete those tasks automatically, and continue working until the objective is finished. Think of it as giving an AI an assignment instead of asking it a single question. How does AutoGPT work? Here's the simple workflow. Step 1, you provide a goal. For example, research common phishing techniques and create a security awareness report. Step 2, AutoGPT creates a plan. It breaks the goal into smaller tasks such as search for information, read documentation, summarize findings, generate a final report. Step 3, it performs each task. Depending on how it's configured, it may search the web, read local files, store information in memory, generate code, create documents. Step 4, it evaluates its own progress. After every task, AutoGPT checks whether the goal has been achieved. If not, it creates new tasks and continues working until the objective is complete. Next we have fifth AI, VulnGPT. What is VulnGPT? VulnGPT is an AI-powered assistant designed to help users understand cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Instead of searching through multiple websites and security reports, you can ask questions in plain English, and it provides explanations and relevant information. How does it work? The process is simple. Step 1, you ask a question. Example: what is CVE 2025XXXX? Step 2, VulnGPT searches vulnerability information and analyzes the details. Step 3, it explains what the vulnerability is, which software is affected, how serious it is, possible impact, recommended mitigations. This makes vulnerability research much faster. Who can use it? Security researchers. For research newly disclosed vulnerabilities. Understand CVEs quickly. Summarize technical advisories. SOC analysts. For investigate security alerts. Understand affected systems. Prioritize vulnerabilities based on risk. Last and the best AI, HackerGPT. What is HackerGPT? HackerGPT is an AI-powered cybersecurity assistant designed to help security professionals with research, analysis, and learning. It can answer cybersecurity questions, explain vulnerabilities, analyze code, and assist with security-related tasks. It is an AI-powered assistant specifically designed for cybersecurity professionals, penetration testers, and bug bounty hunters. It leverages large language models, LLMs, to help users automate reconnaissance, scan for vulnerabilities, and execute defensive testing tasks. What it does: OSINT and discovery. Automatically gathers open-source intelligence and maps out subdomains, IP addresses, and ports. Vulnerability scanning. Assists in finding common web and network misconfigurations like SQL injections or cross-site scripting, XSS. Integrated tooling. Instead of only answering questions, it interfaces directly with common hacking tools such as Subfinder, Katana, or Nabu through plain text commands. Who can use HackerGPT? Security researchers. Uses for research vulnerabilities, analyze malware reports, learn about new cyber threats. SOC analysts. Uses for understand security alerts, summarize incident reports, analyze indicators of compromise, IOCs. Penetration testers. Uses for understand common vulnerabilities, create security assessment reports, learn testing methodologies. Students and beginners. Uses for Learn cybersecurity concepts. Practice ethical hacking theory. Understand security tools and best practices. Conclusion. As you've seen, AI is transforming cybersecurity. Tools like AutoGPT, HackerGPT, VulnGPT, and others can help security professionals automate research, analyze threats, understand vulnerabilities, and improve productivity. At the same time, some AI tools can also be misused by attackers. That's why it's important to understand how these technologies work, not to fear them but to stay prepared and build stronger defenses. Remember, AI is just a tool. It's the person using it that determines whether it's used for protection or misuse. I hope this video helped you learn something new about AI in cybersecurity. If you found it useful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to learn about cybersecurity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.